Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la la la. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will be doing my skincare routine. So let's get right into it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content that I'm sharing with you guys. If you want to see some other things, let me know, comment below, or we can do a Q&A on Instagram. Just let me know.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Need some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow, I'm on, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Get some me time. I don't know. You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I'm doing what I want. Need some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, I'm doing what I want. Need some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane. Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne. Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I'm tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. There's nothing offered to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. to believe you've been in me first. My emotions been straight up too long. Lies get bogus, lies to focus. I know, stone cold. You make seasons change with unfair warning. How you make seasons change without saying something. All these reasons I can lead you to running. Don't leave me out in the cold without my warmth. Should've made you feel more important. Now I'm up all night drinking poison. Till my thoughts are all distorted. The only way I know to ignore it. Trying to hide all the pain, just to go back to what it was for. Another bottle I'm all poured out. Flood away. Speak to my baby. You can't seem to tell me what you need from me. Make you wanna fight lately. So naive to believe you've been in me first. My emotions been straight up too long. Lies get bogus, lies to focus. I know, stone cold. But you may see reasons change with unfair warning. How you may see reasons change without saying something. All these reasons I give you to running.
I've used in this video will be linked down below in the description box. I am looking for new products to use for hyperpigmentation because I do get some discoloring after popping a pimple. Yes, I'm aware that you're not supposed to. You're supposed to let it do its thing, but it's a habit. I've been dealing with acne since I'm 10, so I'm 30 now. So it's kind of hard to get rid of the scars. So if y'all have any recommendations, it'll be great. Just leave them in the comment section below. And y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on wanna, come on, honor, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, honor, cook up, hey, micro, hey, surfer, wave, habit. Sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on the refund, breaking that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the jet, people may get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speeding the bitch, I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, we used to drop it at X, on the strong, gotta keep you a gun, not a regular about that strong, fucking whole bottle we get remind, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, hold up, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch.